everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D rotating logo animation like this in After Effects. No plugins, it's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition and I'll go to 3D render, go to render and change classic 3D to cinema 4D. Okay, then go to basic again. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Now I'll go to file and import my logo, drag and drop, and yeah. Okay, then I'll go to layer and auto trace to add a masks on this logo. Then hit OK and see. Now we have two masks, okay? So I'll go to auto trace and I'll press M on keyboard to see our masks, mask 1 and 2. And I'll close this logo or alpha logo, okay? Yeah, very good. Okay, now I'll go to layer, new shape layer, open shape layer, go to add and add a path, okay? So now we have two masks here. So I have to add here two paths. If you have three, you have to add a 3 on shape layer, 3 path, okay? So now I'll go to path 1 and Control D to copy, okay? Then I'll open path 1 and path 2, okay? Okay, now I'll go to mask path 1 and Control C to copy, go to path 1, path and Control V to paste. Again, I'll go to mask path, mask 2, Control C to copy and path 2, Control V to paste. Okay, then I'll close auto trace and see. Now we have two masks on our shape layer. Then I'll go to add and I'll add a fill. Open fill and change this color to white. Okay, yeah. Okay, now I'll go to shape layer again and I'll change or I'll add 3D here. Check this, and if you don't see this, you can go to switch here and just click to see this. Okay, so now we have a geometry option. Open it and I'll go to extrusion path and I'll change extrusion path to 100. And now we have a 3D logo. If you go to transform, Y rotation and change it like this and see. Okay, let me add a light and shadow. So I'll go to layer, new light. Okay, I'll add a point. Okay, intensity 100 and hit OK and see. Yeah. Let me change it again to 0 and see. Okay, and I'll go to selection. Let me change X rotation like this because I want to add another light. Control D to copy and I'll put the other light into the other side like this. So now I'll go to shape, okay, press R for rotation, go to Y rotation, keyframe here, go to last frame and I'll change this there this 0 to 1. I'll change this 0 to 1. And now we have a 3D animation logo. And that's all. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.